It's Gabrielle Ishell and we're going camping today. So right now I just have my sports bra on. I am going to be just wearing a long sleeve t-shirt. Got this from Old Navy. It's really comfortable and feels really nice. So
sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this.
So now we're gonna do a tour of the tent. Just like people do the tour of the empty apartment. So this is the living room right here. And then we have the kitchen is actually out here. And then the bedroom is over here. Sorry, there's noise in the background. There's a lady who's blowing away leaves back there. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the house for the weekend.
Never-ending vacation. I've been feeling selfish. I never want you to share it. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe.
So I think I got it backwards. This is the bedroom over here. And this will be the living room.
Kiss my lips, nothing ever will compare to this.
One black crate full. Please bring crate back. I put my tent in. And we got 2.
Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What you think of it, baby? Oh, you and I make
Down. I got a dent. Try it again?
Sure. You gotta swing it hard. Alright. Playtime's over.
It's like a mini sleepover. We just played cards. Now, time to go to bed. Good night. So, I ended up wearing my shirt for pajamas because it's long sleeve because I didn't wear it yesterday because it was too hot. Then I have my little winter pants and these really, really thick socks. They're so cute. But yes, our first night in the tent was a success. Slept good. I just have to put more air on my airbed because my back was hurting. Okay. And our eggs are done.
Washed off bacon.
That's enough bacon. Being one with nature. It's relaxing. Say hi.
Hi.
I look stupid with this hat.
No service. Finally, we made it somewhere where there's no service.
The sunlight. The sun. It's doing it for me.
Doing it?
Yes. There it is again. It's actually kind of scary. Don't look down. Stop, Chris. Stop. Can you not do that? Can you not do that, please? Oh, I made it. That was scary. Technique there.
No, what are you doing? You really got to reach back and you do you. What? Come on, you didn't even try.
You said reach back.
No, you got to get down though. Sit. Sit.
I'm so excited.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe. And you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave.
Whoa, he's trying to get us drunk.
My fingertips, so
Cheers.
this, nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya, I can make it better, baby. Running away. wish I never want you to share it. We'd be riding the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe.
I'm cold. I have hats, fleece lined clothing, leggings, and a shirt, and gloves. And a Mike's Hard mango drink that makes me even colder.
Baby, running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What you think of it, baby? You and I making fire, I can take ya, I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Oh, I never had a love so fine.
The last dog of the trip.
Take ya, I can make